So here we go. The screen is on, and no one in the class wanted to do this question, so I'm going to do it myself. So to estimate this first, because I want you to estimate first, we have to round. And I'm going to ask questions to the class since I'm the only one up here, and I don't want you to be too bored. But that first number is 2.43. How do we round that? Does anyone know what it rounds to? Hannah.
2.
And why, Hannah? Why does it round to 2?
Because it's below 4.
Yes, she's looking at this number and she says it's a 4, so it rounds down to a 2. And I'm going to multiply that by what? So let's round the second number, 1.59. Yes, sir.
1.
Close.
No, 2, sorry.
And why 2?
Because it's above 5.
Yes, he's looking at the 10th column here, and he knows it's 5 or above, so it rounds to 2. So who can finish off that for us? In our estimate, what should we be shooting for, according to this estimate? Dylan.
4.
Yeah, we're looking for about a 4. So now we're going to actually calculate this out. So we know we're looking for about 4, and here we go. So I always start with the column furthest to the right, and I multiply it out. So 9 times 3 is 27, she says. So I put the 7 down here, carry the 2. 9 times 4 is, she says 36. Add the 2, I get 38. And then 9 times 2 is,
18.
plus the 3, I get 21. Please stop me if I make a mistake. It happens all the time. So now I go to my next column, which is the 5, but I have to put my placeholder in there. So 5 times 3 is, thank you, Maddie. I carry the 1. 5 times 4 is,
20.
plus the 1 is 21. I carry the 2. And then 5 times 2 is,
10.
plus the 2 is 12. And now I have 2 placeholders. Now this is really easy because it's 1. I just have to copy down the numbers. 3, 4, 2. And then of course, what do I do with those 3 columns when I multiply I? Add them together. What's 7 plus 0 plus 0?
7.
Good job there, Jill. What's 8 plus 5 plus 0? 13. I have to carry the 1. What is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. Yep, 6. What's 2 plus 2 plus 4? Thank you. And last but not least, what is 1 plus 2?
3.
Good man. Now, this is the only tricky part with multiplication of decimal numbers. How do I know how many decimals to put in my answer? Say that nice and loud, Nick, so they can hear you on the screencast.
How many numbers are behind the decimal? No, decimal.
Yeah, in the question. So there's 4 here, so I put it 1, 2, 3, 4 over. Now I need to reflect. Is 3.8637 close to 4? Yeah, oh sorry, James, go for it.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
I would say so. So I think I'm right. I don't know. So who's going to go on their calculator here and do 2.43 and multiply it by 1.59, and what do we get? Brendan Hyder. Oh, I said his last name.
3.8637.
Looks like Mr. Primo is correct. Thank you very much. And that's how you multiply decimal numbers. Can I have a round of applause? Anybody want to say anything that's going to be on the screencast? Yeah. Oh, Dylan. But I'm not proving anything.